everyone. My name is Valerie.
I'm Christina from Queen of Hearts Kitchen Cakes.
And today we are opening boxes from
Sucere Foodscorp. Yes. So actually, not just boxes, Valerie. Sweet boxes.
Yes, indeed. Well, Sucere Foodscorp is one of our lovely vendors at Cake Fiesta Manila. And also, of course, how could you ever forget the major sponsor for our Cake Wars?
Yes, so well, their products are really good. Have you also seen, because we shot a couple of videos, you know, when we visited their plants, and it was amazing, guys. It was amazing how
it's like Charlie and the Chocolate
Factory.
Factory.
It's like Valerie and Christina went to the chocolate factory.
Only it's not just chocolate, but it's more marshmallows and sprinkles.
There's a lot of cookies as well.
Yes, we did. Oh my god, yeah. Remember that super long conveyor? We actually had the cookies just straight from baking it, went into the conveyor, and we waited for it to start opening up these boxes, and let's see. And so we can already plan our projects that we will incorporate these with whatever it's inside.
So actually, guys, you know, once you open the boxes and you will have suggestions, or you will have requests on which content or which video that you wanted us to do for you guys, please comment down below and we will try our best to accommodate them.
Yes.
Okay, so shall we start?
Let's start with yours.
Yes, so this one here is something big, huge, sweet, white, what else?
Light and fluffy.
Light and fluffy. Ta-da! Large marshmallows.
Yes, and we know that marshmallows is very essential for a lot of cake decorators out there, because, but most especially in the Philippines, that they usually use marshmallows to make fondant.
Yes.
So, and Sucere has been a long-time partner for a lot of you guys. If you are one of them, please comment down below. And I'm sure Sucere would love to know who you are, and would love to see your support as well. So yes, the large ones.
Actually, ideas are starting to, you know, get into my head already which ones we are going to do.
Yes. And of course, if there is a super large one, there should be
baby ones.
So
mini ones.
There you go. Mini.
Yeah.
And these are the ones that you usually kind of like put on top of hot cocoa.
Yeah.
Right? Or it doesn't even go to the hot cocoa. You just munch it.
Oh guys, did you know? Yeah. Did you know that Sucere Foods has already, well, not has already, they have got different flavors of their marshmallows as well.
Yes.
Do you remember trying the ones that has got mango flavor in it?
Yes.
And banana?
Yes.
They taste really good.
And they do export in different countries. You'll be surprised that I couldn't name exactly because I do not want to give a wrong information. But anyway, I am 100% sure that they make products for international brands, which is quite amazing.
Do you know what surprised me when we were there? That some of my favorite goodies growing up was actually their product.
Yes.
Do you remember those tiny egg chocolates?
Yes.
That's wrapped in foil, different colorful foils. And
sometimes you get them in like loot bags from kids' parties.
True.
Yeah.
And also there's one that's, you know, a twirl of marshmallows that's dipped in
like the twisted one.
Yeah, that's dipped in chocolate. I forget the exact brand, but you will see their logo anyway. So yeah, once you see these logo, guys, that logo and this thing is guaranteed to be really good. I'm not even exaggerating. Even the cookies to die for.
Okay, so we've got one more box, and I think this has got an assortment of stuff. So let's open. I don't know what they are, but they're all stand pouches.
Can I just pick a random one?
Okay.
Chocolate mini drops.
Chocolate mini drops. Okay, for me.
Oh, they go really well together.
Oh, they're the same. Okay, choose one
Maybe
more.
they're all the same.
No.
Yeah. Ah, no, it's not.
There you go, candy sprinkles.
Another candy sprinkle for me.
And what else?
Oh, this one here.
Candy sprinkles.
Candy coated chocolates.
Ah, okay, can I see? Oh, okay. Ah, this
Those
one,
are-
chocolate stones. You know, guys, this is so hard to find abroad. There was one time that we wanted to do succulents, piped succulents, and it will be decorated like a pot, a cake, of course, inside, but
Yes.
it looks like a pot. And we wanted to decorate it with chocolate stones, but we couldn't find it in the UK. So lucky for us, guys, here in the Philippines, that they've got it here, ready and in pouches.
You know what, guys? These goodies here, these goodies here is perfect for your surprise cakes, for your piñata cakes, for what do you call that? You know, during Valentine's, where there's like, you know, like say a box of a heart-shaped chocolate.
Oh, like the
and then you
chocolate smash.
it,
Yeah, like smash cake.
Smash it. And there's going to be a lot of goodies inside. So it's perfect because you will get 2 surprises in one go.
Yeah, perfect fillers for those kinds of projects. And we can actually make them, right,
Yeah.
in the future. So yeah, in our box here, we've got the candy sprinkles, we've got the chocolate stones.
We've got candy coated chocolate, and have you mentioned the sprinkles?
Yes.
We should have at least 4.
Yeah.
Chocolate
1, 2,
stones.
3, 4.
Yeah, 4.
Yeah.
4 kinds. So I'm so excited. Yeah, I can see a lot of future projects using these ones here, especially these candy sprinkles.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Remember?
Oh my God. The way they were doing these candy sprinkles, guys, amazing.
Yeah.
You know, you could just take your
I'll
eyes off of it.
I'll probably insert some of the clips that we had from when we had a tour at their plant. And you'll be amazed because it was such a fun day. Obviously it's so colorful, and then when the sprinkles are like in one container, so it keeps on swirling, so that's to make sure that they're even distribution of colors. And then it goes to the conveyor, it goes up, and then it goes down to pouches.
You know what, Val? You should have swarm. You should have
I
swarm
think
in the
I would
chocolate.
love that.
And then you enter it into these sprinkles, and then you get yourself tumbled, you know, around the
I
machine.
don't mind getting
and you're
tumbled
gonna be
with
covered
sprinkles.
with sprinkles.
I really don't mind that, you know?
I'm sure you don't. But anyway, you know what impressed me so much with Sucere is how amazing their facility is.
Yes.
Amazingly clean,
It's
amazingly organized.
Huge. When we went inside, we were in a proper the head cover, the shoe cover, and then the thingy. What's it thingy?
Well, yeah.
Like a lab coat.
Like a lab coat.
Yes,
yeah.
just to obviously prevent contamination whatsoever, and everyone, no exemption. Even us, we had to wear all of those, which is really impressive, which is really good.
And everything is in controlled temperature as well.
Yes, and
Everything
it
is
was
segregated.
really huge.
And you know, just entering the smell, you can actually live there.
Yes.
You can actually live there.
Okay, so thank you once again, Sucere, for sending us these products.
Yeah, thank you to all the people behind Sucere. You are also ever so lovely, and we're very thankful for your support.
Yes, super supportive from day one, and up until now, still our vendor, still our Cake Wars sponsor, and now we have collaborated with them because we will be doing regular contents for them.
Happy to be officially part of your team.
Yes.
Sweet team, actually.
Indeed. Okay, so this is it. Thank you. So we can't wait to use all these products. If you guys have any requests or ideas or challenge,
Oh dear.
did I say that?
You just said it.
Yeah, if you have any, just let us know. We'll be happy to explore.
We'll try and do it for you guys. Anything for you. Anything really.
Yes. Okay.
Yep,
Well,
cannot wait. Once again, thank you everyone. Thank you, Sucere, and We'll see you guys on the next one. Future projects.
Bye.